Today, we're diving into the sheer physics behind cricket bowling. It's wild. Ever wonder how a bowler makes that ball just suddenly swing, spin, wildly change direction midair? Well, it's not just brute strength. You're actually watching pure physics in action out there. It all kicks off with momentum. The bowler transfers massive kinetic energy from their run-up right into the ball. But hey, as that ball goes flying down the pitch, raw speed alone won't guarantee a wicket. By tilting the seam, they create smooth airflow on one side and disturbed air on the rough side. That pressure difference causes swing. That's exactly why bowlers shine one side and leave the other completely rough. Now, what about seam bowling? Here, the ball is thrown to land perfectly upright right on the pitch. Since that raised seam hits first, the ball unpredictably bounces left or right off the ground. For spinners, it's all about the Magnus effect. Spinning alters the airflow, making the ball literally dip or curve. Because of that rotation, things like leg spin, off spin, top spin, and backspin act totally differently in flight. Once it hits the ground, intense friction grabs that spinning ball, forcing it to turn super sharply. The pitch matters too. Dry pitches give spinners massive friction, while green pitches totally boost seam bounce. So beating the batter takes this perfect cocktail of speed, force, pressure, friction, spin, and bounce. Next time you see a totally unplayable delivery, ask yourself, was it really just skill or just pure physics?